So you have your domain and you wanted to connect them into Gmail. Well, this is an actual game changer. You wanted an email course address like, I don't know, maybe like hello@yourdomain.com to land right into the Gmail inbox. So to make this process, I'm going to walk you through this process really easily. The first thing to do is to have the official Google Workspace. If you want a dedicated inbox security features like the DMARC protection, the Google Workspace is the answer. It starts around $6 per month. You can even try this totally for free depending on the country you are currently living. So Google has direct link with the Godaddy. Click verify and it will be automatically logged into your Godaddy to approve the actual connection. Right, so this is crucial because before adding the Google Delete and any old MX records into your Godaddy, basically here, if you don't, your emails will get lost into the cyberspace. You want to take that in mind and add one new mixed record with the value smtp.google.com. That's it, because you need to do much more. But basically, if you don't want to use the Google Workspace, you can go for the free workaround. If you don't want to pay $6 a month, you can go directly from your Godaddy dashboard and look for the email forwarding. So here, what I need to do now is to focus for the email forwarding directly into my domain. And here what I need to do is to create an alias, right? Like the info@yourdomain.com and point it to your personal Gmail account. So to do this process, usually what I do is to look out for the registers like this, domain, and directly in here I have now this information right after that. So I connect this from a Gmail account and you can check out now the actual current plans. In my case, I focus, for example, for the configuration of the register, and here this is where I can be sending the actual element of my Gmail account. So now we needed to be able to reply from that email into the Gmail settings and click into add another email addresses. Let's see what happens when I click directly here into the Gmail. Now that I am directly into my Gmail account, I wanted to be focusing on directly into my settings, see all the settings, and here what I need to do is to be able to reply from that email. So what I can do is to add another email address. So we can use the Google address account here, which says here add another email address. So what you need to do, of course, is to have the SMTP server. Usually it is around something like enter the information about your other email address. Here, for example, would be info@your url.com and go for the option that says the next step. In my case, let's say for example that I have this address, which is this one. So I copy it, I go back directly inside here from the settings like this, and I just paste it at the same that I used here. Then it's going to be asking you to use the Google in this case the Godaddy SMTP server. Then the Gmail will send the confirmation code to your domain email. Since you set the app forwarding, that code will land into your personal Gmail. You want to paste that and you're actually good to go. So here, for example, the username, the passcode, and the SMTP server that appears here directly into your Godaddy elements. Usually it might be appearing directly inside here. Now, if you skip this part of the SPF or DKIM, your emails will go straight to spam because Google requires an SPF record. So you needed to add, of course, a TXT record with the name add and the value. So if you go for the DNS registers, what you can do is to hit for add your new register, hit for the TXT and add the value of the include spf.google.com. This will tell the other mailboxes that the Google is authorized to send mail for you. So for professional users, you want to also enable the DKIM or DKIM in your Google Administrator Console. This adds a digital signature to your email so they're never blocked by highly secure firewalls. So the Workspace for pros forwarding for the budget conscious both get the job done into 2026. I put a copy here in the description so you can just copy paste and then, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can get started directly inside here. Make sure that when you choose the option that says send mail as, you can use the Gmail to send from your other email addresses, and you can be edit the info right available in here. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.